Hi, you're watching Informex TV. I'm Simon Robinson here with Hans Engels of DSM. I'm going to talk a little bit about integrating primary and secondary manufacturing. Hans, what are the advantages of integrating primary and secondary manufacturing?
Especially in secondary manufacturing, which is the finished dose forms, we are asked more and more to exercise operational excellence, apply Lean Six Sigma methods, etc., etc. What we experience there is that the process definition is typically not very conducive of exercising this kind of technologies. And what our experience is that if we would integrate primary and secondary manufacturing more intimately, we would have much more opportunities to optimize the processes in a way that we would be able to produce better product in a much more efficient and much more cost-effective way.
Do you have any idea of the kind of savings that might be possible in a theoretical case?
It's a wide spectrum. You have drugs where the integration would not give us much, but we have also several examples where we would say if we would have integrated the primary and secondary manufacturing right up front, we would have gained probably a 30% benefit in the whole supply chain.
So that's 30% less cost involved in the supply chain. That's fantastic. So why aren't more companies doing it?
I think the pharmaceutical industry is traditionally segmented into three buckets, and these three buckets are still operating with a more or less loose connection, and that is process development, large-scale primary manufacturing and secondary manufacturing, three different buckets, and you can see it in the industry that service segments are developed in these three areas, and it's only very few companies who are able to provide services in all three segments.
Well, that's great. Thank you very much for that. Now, how are you enjoying the show?
I think it's started very well. I mean, if you don't enjoy a show in San Francisco, something is wrong with you, I think. We like everything what we see here. We have a great booth, we have a great location, and so we are very optimistic that this will be a full success.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.